Once we got the leads, who are the leads? People who are showing interest on your product are called lead. Once we got the lead, once we qualify them, once we got the lead, once the leads are qualified, we will convert them into accounts. Who is an account? Account is a person or a company with whom we are doing a business. So who is an account? Account is a person or an organization with whom we are doing a business. Account. Account is a person or organization with whom we are doing a business. Account is a person or a company with whom we are doing a business. Now, when lead is qualified, we converted into. When the lead is qualified, it will be converted into account. When the lead is qualified, it will be converted into account. As I told you, there are two types of accounts. Two types of accounts. Personal account and organization account. By default, Salesforce will not provide Salesforce will provide organization account. If you want a personal accounts, we need to raise a case. If you want a personal account, we need to raise a case with Salesforce team. They will enable the personal accounts. So by default, you will not get personal accounts. If you want personal accounts, you need to raise a case with the Salesforce team. Salesforce team will enable an option called personal account. If the personal account option is enabled, you will get like a record type on the account. You will get like a record type, organization, personal. By default, you get only organization account. You will not get personal accounts. If you want a personal account, you need to raise a case with the Salesforce team. They will enable it. Personal account means is a person with whom you are doing a business. When I say personal account, it is a person with whom you are doing a business. Personal account. By default, Salesforce will consider account as organization. Salesforce by default will consider account as organization. If you want a person to be an account, you have to raise a case with the Salesforce team. They will enable an option called personal account. Once that option is enabled, on the account you will have two record types. One is organization, other one is person. So by default you will not get it. Right? Now, if personal account is enabled, look at the point. We cannot create contact for personal account. We cannot create contact for personal account. Why you cannot create a contact for personal account? Person himself is a person means what? He himself is a contact. If it is a company, I need a person to communicate. But if you are a person, you itself is a contact. Now Satish. So Satish himself is a contact. So if it is a personal account, we will not have any contact. If it is a personal account, we will not have any contact. If you don't have a contact, then can I create him as a committee member? I cannot create him as a committee member. So if you want to create any account, any user, if you want to create any user of the committee, he should be a contact for an account. He should be a contact for an account. In the personal account, you don't have any contact. You don't have any contact, right? So we will not be able to make him as a committee user, right? So we cannot create contact for. Okay. Now we cannot create contact for personal account. Okay. The next one. Then, right. I hope you are good with this. Okay. So what is an account? Account is a person, or we are starting with account. Do not type the messages. You can ask the question at the end, or unmute your mic and ask the question. We are starting with that account topic. We just started with the account topic for the day. Now, account is a person or a company with whom we are doing a business. When the lead is qualified, it will be converted into account. There are two types of account. One is personal account, other one is organizational account. By default, Salesforce will provide organizational account. If you want a personal account, we need to raise a case with the Salesforce team. They will enable personal accounts. We cannot create a contact for personal account, right? This is the topic which we started. We just started with the account today. Then, next one. What is the next point in this one? Account teams. Account teams. Now, sometimes, okay, first let me finish off this, the purpose of the account, then come back to account teams. Now, look at the point. Now, Ravi made an inquiry. Ravi made an inquiry that he is looking for a life insurance. When Ravi made an inquiry that he is looking for insurance, I was treated like a V. Then Then my inquiry was assigned to some person. When my inquiry was assigned to some person, he will communicate with me. He will talk to me. He will try to understand my need. Then everything is convinced. Then I am okay to go with the insurance. Okay. Then what he will do? He will convert the lead into account. Then what is the account name? Account name. So the person who is purchasing the policy, Ravi. And who is the person who is selling me the policy? Some agency. Now, Ravi is also an account. That agency is also an account. Now, person with whom I am doing a business means people who are helping me to sell the policies, people who are purchasing the policies, both will be an account. Right? Are you clear? Now, the company is LIC company. LIC company is trying to sell the policies. Now, LIC company is trying to sell the policies. LIC company is trying to sell the policy. It cannot sell the policy directly. It cannot sell the policy directly. As it cannot sell the policy directly, it will give some franchise, okay, some agencies will give. They'll ask, you get the policy done, I'll give you this much commission. Because LIC cannot go to every remote corner and sell their products. So they may give agencies, distributorship, or, okay, vendorship they'll give you, they ask them to give. You get the policies done, I'll give you 10% commission on every payment he makes, or 20% commission on what he makes. So these agencies will promote. Now I am doing a business with whom? Agencies. Now agencies are helping these people to sell the policy, but they are not purchasing it. Who is purchasing the policy? Customer is purchasing the policy. So with whom I am doing the business? One with the agencies or distributors, second with the customer. Both of them will be my accounts. Both of them will be my accounts. Are you clear about this? Are you clear about this? Let us take an example. I am a pharma company. I manufacture the drugs, I will sell the drugs. Now, I will not, now, if it is a major dealer, I will sell it. But generally what pharma company do? They will have some, okay, dealership. Some dealers will be there. They supply the drugs to the dealer. Dealer will sell them to the customers. So the dealers are selling the products. Who are purchasing? Customer is purchasing. That customer may be a company or a person. Again I told, insurance. Now, Capgemini told, they want some, okay, they want a life insurance for their employees. Now, who is the customer who is purchasing the policy? Capgemini. Who is selling? Some agency is selling. Agency is selling. Agency is selling a policy to Capgemini. They want some insurance for some product. Okay. Now, at the same time, Satish want to take life insurance. Now, here the customer is a person. Customer may be a person or an organization. But when you look at the account, there are two categories of account. One account is, there may be a dealers or distributors or retailers who will help you to sell the product. Second one is the person who purchases the product. So when I say account, it may be the person who is selling your product, or maybe the person who is purchasing. The organization who is selling your product, or the organization or a person who is purchasing your product. As I told you, pharma company. They manufacture the drugs. They manufacture the drugs. They want to sell it. They give it to the dealers. Dealers will sell it to the customer. The customer may be a hospital. Customer may be a medical shop. Now, it may be any Indian, right, boss? Or they may have sub-dealers also. Dealer or sub-dealer. Now, the agencies, dealers, retailers who are selling my products, they are also called account. Customer who is purchasing my product, they are also called account. So, all their information is stored internally in the account object. Account object hold the customer data, and the agencies or dealers or partners data. I hope you got my point. Now, I manufacture medical equipments. I manufacture the medical equipments. Some diagnosis equipments I manufacture, or medical equipments I manufacture. I want to sell it. Now, I will not go to every hospital and sell it, right? So, throughout India, I want to send it. Now, I cannot go to every city, every place and sell it. I will give franchise to some people. Okay, you sell the products, and those people will visit the hospitals. They sell the products. Now, with respect to that domain, with respect to the application, we will decide who will be your customer, who will be your dealer. But both that data is available in account object. Right? In case if you are dealing with a person, like I told, insurance. Company can take insurance, person can take insurance. Now I require personal account. By default, personal accounts are not there. That's the reason I am going with that. I have to raise a case with the Salesforce to get personal accounts enabled. I hope you got the point. Who will be the accounts? Now, you came for an inquiry, you attended a demo, then you have become what? Now I'm doing a business with you. Now your accounts. What type of accounts? Personal accounts. Okay. In your class, now some of the companies also will send their induction batch students here. Now, the company will be sending the students here. I'll be training along with the regular people. Now, in that case, the student is not paying the money for me. The company is paying the money for me. Now, the person is what? The person is what? Organizational account. Organizational account. I hope you got my point. Account. Who is an account? Person or organization with whom I am doing a business is called an account. In the CRM, within the Salesforce, we store the data in the object called account. Right? I hope you are good with this. Everyone got the story? Whom you call as an account? Now, from lead, it will be generated into account. Now, the point here is, now, let us see. I'm an insurance company. Now, what is this insurance company? Let us say I'm an LIC company. They divided complete America into, let's say, they divided US into 6 zones. Let's say they divided complete India into 4 zones. For every zone, there is one primary vendor. I told South India, you are the primary vendorship. You give some vendorship to somebody. Now, I'm an insurance company. Now, in India, entire South I give to one dealer. North I give to one dealer. East, West I have given to dealers. The dealers are giving sub-dealerships to someone else. Now, these people are doing, these are the major business firms. Now, every account will have one owner. Let us say ABC organization, I give South India. I give South India zone, I give to them. Now, for every account there will be a owner, right? Every account will have an owner. Let us say Sharma is the owner of this ABC company. Owner means what? If ABC company has any queries, ABC company need any assistant? Okay, the point of contact from the LIC is Sham. Sam is an employee of LIC. If ABC company need any assistance, or if LIC want to communicate with ABC, Sham is the person who will take care about it. Who is that Sham? Sham is the employee of employee of LIC company. Sham is the employee of LIC. Okay, if they want to communicate with ABC company, or ABC company want any assistance from the LIC, they will communicate with Sham. He is the owner of the account. Now, when these people is ABC South Indian, complete South Indian leadership, under them they have a lot of sub-dealers. Now, the question is, Sham alone is not able to handle the business because it's a big business. Now, when I say is complete South India is handled by this account, this is a big business. This account generates a lot of business. So Sham alone is not able to form. So he formed a team. Ravi, you take care about legal issues. Prasad, you take care about marketing of this. Okay. Like this, he formed a team. Who is the owner of the account? Sham is the owner. But he formed a team. He shared the responsibility with other people. Now, as a team, they are working on the account. But account, owner is what? Only one person. When I say queue, group of people are owner. Here, owner is not group. Owner is only one person. But he formed a team on this company. Now, he told Ravi, you take care about legal issues. Prasad, you take care about marketing. Hari, you take care about finance issues. He formed a team and the team is working. When account is too big to handle, he formed a team to support. When account is too big to handle, he formed a team to support it. When account is too big, he formed a team to support it. So what is the team called? Account team. Now in that, Ravi, Prasad, Hari are account team members. Now who are they? They are the employees of LIC. Now, owner of the account formed a team to handle the responsibility of the account. Are you clear about this? Now, Sham every time don't want to create a team like this. So, Sham told, my default team. He told my default team, Ravi. So, now what was that? He made a default team. Every time he don't want to form a team members like this, so he had a fixed team. Now every time he say my team. When he say my team, the team will be applied on this. Are you getting my point? So every user can create one default team. Okay, he can create the team for every record separately, or he can make a default team and he can apply the same team for every record. For every record, he can form a team separately, or he can make a default team and say, apply my default team for this record. Are you getting my point? Q will be a owner. Here owner is Sham only. Now Ravi, Prasad, Hari is not owner. But the record is shared with them. That's all. They are not the owners. Ravi, Prasad, Hari is not the owner. When you say Q, all the three become owner. Now owner of the record is only Sham. But the record is shared with Ravi, Prasad, Hari with read and access. Okay, what my point? I hope you are clear with this, right? So when account is too big, there is a lot of business generating from this account. Now he want a team to handle it. Let me take one more example. Let's say I have Lodha. Now my company is a marketing company. My company sell the products, market and sell the products. So Lodha company approached me. They told they are constructing, let us say 200 flats. They want us to market and sell. Now, from my company, marketing company, they appointed Satish. You are the owner of the record. So any request that come from Lodha, anything that you company want to deal with the Lodha, Satish, you are responsible person. Now, I alone cannot market, sell, apply everything. Because when I want to sell, I have to look at marketing process. Somebody has to look at site visits. If the customer want to go for a site visits. and some customer want a loan. Okay, legal registrations. Now, there's 4 different activities. Now, I alone cannot make it. So, I told marketing, okay, Ravi, site visit, Sham, you take care. Because Satish only cannot take the customer to market. Satish only cannot take to site visit. Satish only cannot go for bank loans. Satish alone cannot go. It's a big process. There are 200 plus. Number of customers will be visiting. Right? Now, I alone cannot handle it. So, I formed a team. The team, as a team, we are working. But whole sole responsibility is Satish. But he formed a team to handle it. Right? Okay. Now, how do you create the accounting setup? Build, customize accounts. What was it? Account. Enable accounts. Add them to the page layout. Then you can define the roles. Already they have given a couple of roles. If you don't like, you can modify them. If you're okay, just use them. It's like a quick list option. If you don't like, you can modify this option, create according to your business. Then go to account. Go to any one of the account. You're finding your account. Add team member. Student. On the account, what type of access you want to give. Because already this guy has read and write access. So he is not getting. But generally what happened? When you have multiple users, the user don't have access on the account. The user don't have access on the account, but still I am giving access on the account. Okay, the user don't have access on the account, still I am giving access on the account, corresponding opportunities, corresponding case. Then tell what is the then give accounts manager. I hope you are good with this. So we are making some user as a team member on this account. Okay. Now I want to create a default team member. Setup, administer, manage users, user, then go to student, scroll down, what are you finding it? Default, is making a default. Is making a default. Now once again I will repeat it. How we are giving? Administer, manage users, open the Satish, default account. See the account, corresponding opportunities, which are private means corresponding opportunities which are owned by you. You can see the account, but only you can see your opportunities. You cannot see all the opportunities of the account. You can only see the opportunities which you are doing. Now roll. I created a default team. Then you can go to account, logistics, add a default team. So the person is added here. I hope you are good with this. Right? when we want to form a team. From account navigation. Swati, can you please unmute your mic and ask the question instead of typing the messages? It's admin topic, Amma. Please unmute your mic and ask your question. Please do not type the messages. Right. Fine. So what was this? Setup, build, customize, account, account teams, then add it to the page. This class, people who have taken the administration in 8:30, 8:45 batch, for those people, the pending topics we are covering. People who are taking a parallel with 7 a.m. and 8:30, this is not the topic for you. People who have done administration 8:45 batch, okay, we are continuing the CRM topics which we left out in the last week. This was the 8:45 batch who are doing the administration. Who have done the administration 8:45 batch, for those people we are covering the pending CRM topics in administration. Default account. What is the default accounting? Every user can have one default testing, open the detail page, the data list, add the user. Right? Now, can I make an account as a partner account? Can I make an account as a partner account? Right? So, if I say you are a partner account to me, what does it mean? You can create campaigns, leads, opportunities. How do you make an account as a partner account? When communities are enabled, I can go to the account, I can say manage account. When you say manage account, we have an option. This is clear for everyone? Accounting. Everybody is good with the thing? Purpose everybody has got? Purpose is clear? Second point. Do you have a concept called Q1 account? There is no concept called Q1 account. On the account, you cannot create a queue. For account, there will be only one person who is a owner. Always on account, there will be a single user who will be a owner. There is no concept of queue on the account. But if you want to form a team and collaborate, you require account teams. Okay. Is that was clear? Clear for everyone? Okay. Now, the another technical term what we are going to find here is now when communities are enabled, you get an option called manage external account. Here we have an option called enable as partner. When you enable as partner, this account become what? Partner account. So this is a technical term. When commodities are enabled, we get image, we get an option of manage external accounts. By clicking this, we can enable account as partner. If you enable account as partner account, you can create lead, campaign, contacts, associate, so it is a partner account. So people are good with this. Now if it is a company, company cannot talk to me. If it is a company, company cannot talk to me. So what will I do? As the company cannot talk to me, there should be a contact associated with the company. Now, if it is when I'm doing a business, if it is a company with which I'm doing a business, there should be some representative from the company with whom I can talk. I cannot talk to a company. I will be talking with some particular person. So that person becomes what? Contact. That particular person becomes what? Contact. Now, account is the person or a company with whom I am doing a business. Account is a person or a company with whom I am doing a business. Now, the point here is, if it is a company, I cannot talk to the company. I have to talk to somebody from the company. That someone is called contact. So, who is a contact? Is the person who can show influence on the account. Is the person who can show influence on the account. Now, contact an account. Contact an account. Contact an account. I hope you are good with this. So, if it is a personal account, you will not have any contact. If it is a personal account, you will not have any contact. Only for organizational accounts, you will have a contact. By default, every account is a personal account or organizational account. By default, every account is what? Organizational account. If you want a personal account, you have to raise a case. By default, every account is organizational account. You will not have a personal account. If you want a personal account, raise a case with the Salesforce team. So if it is an organizational account, we need to have a contacts. How many contacts? Many contacts. I hope you are good. So account and contact object, what type of relation? Lookup relation. But if you delete account, contacts will be deleted. Whatever the standard relation that Salesforce has created, when you delete an account, contacts are getting deleted. But both of them are connected by lookup relation. It is not only because of relation. There are some other functionality internally, because of which when you delete account, contacts are also deleted. Relation between them is lookup only. But when you delete an account, contacts are also getting deleted. I hope you are good with this. I hope everyone is good. So, lead, campaign, we have seen with the product, price book entry, campaign, lead, we have seen account, contact is the person who has influence on the account. As simple as that. Okay. Now, let us come back to opportunity. What is that opportunity? No. Look at the point. Now, I told some companies made it is a LIC. Whose Salesforce project is this? The project is of LIC company. LIC company CRM application. Now here they had accounts. Now they are doing bill with Dell. They are doing. They had one more account. Now, Dell company told they are looking for okay life insurance offer. Life insurance. Dell gave me an opportunity. Dell told, boss, I am looking for a opportunity. What are you looking for? Dell told, I am looking for an opportunity. Or else, let me make it simple to understand. Dell told is looking for an opportunity. It is looking for some products. Dell want to take some insurance products. So Dell is an account. Then he told, I was looking for the following products. What he told? For 10 employees, life insurance. Then, okay, for the particular product. Risk insurance for some equipment. These are the three different products they are looking for. Now Dell told I am looking for insurance for 10 employees, life insurance. For 100 people, I want to take a risk insurance. For one equipment, I want to take a risk insurance. Okay. Now, these are the things which I am looking for. Then they told to LIC company that I am looking for this. Now, what did the Dell give to LIC? Dell gave an opportunity to LIC. I was looking for these products. If you can sell me, if you can give me a good price, I will purchase from you. If I purchase from you, what LIC will get? LIC will get some revenue. Am I right or wrong? Now, Dell told I am looking for following products. Now, if you can give me a better price, I will purchase from you. You will get some revenue for the company. So, anything that can generate revenue to the company is called opportunity. Anything that can generate a revenue for the company is called opportunity. Let me give you. Now, I'm a company called Dell. Capital Info is doing a business with the Dell. Now, Capital Info is doing a business with the Dell. Capital Info people made a call. They told we are from Capital Info. I'm looking for 2 ThinkPads. 37 generation. So, 300 model. Capital Info made a call to Dell company and told, boss, we are looking for 2 ThinkPads and 3 Dell Y300 model. Okay, can you? What is the price for which you can sell it? Now I am already customer to the Dell. I already purchased a couple of times. Again, I made a call to the Dell and told I was looking for this purchase. Now, if Dell can give me a better price, I'll purchase it. If I purchase it, Dell will get revenue. Okay. Am I right or not? Now, what did I give to the Dell? I gave an opportunity to the Dell. Opportunity means I gave a scope of getting a revenue to the company. Boss, I am looking for this. If you can provide, your company will get some money. Now, opportunity means what? Anything that can generate revenue to the company is called opportunity. Anything that can generate revenue to the company is called opportunity. Anything that can generate revenue to the company is called opportunity. Now, look at this. Opportunity. Opportunity. New opportunity. Right. Now, they told, what is the company with which you are associated? Some company is selected here. Some company is selected here. So, some company is selected here. Okay. Then, From where did I get? Then I told closes on which date? Stage. Right now it is in the prospecting stage. I create an opportunity. I create an opportunity that Dell is looking for so or CSC group is looking for some insurance. Close date, stage name. Initially the first stage is going to be prospecting. Then I create an opportunity. The opportunity will have how much amount of money? The opportunity of how much depends upon the products what you are choosing. Now which products you want to purchase? Add a product. When you say add a product, so I told I was looking for this. I told I was looking for these 3 products. How many? This I am looking for 5. This I am looking for 10. This I was looking for 10. Then when I was supposed to submit 23rd, 26th, 31st. So I told boss I was looking for following products. Your company is selling the following products. I was looking for the following products. Now this product 5 quantity, this product 10 quantity, this product 10 quantity. Now so this they'll give you 5 into 1 lakh, 10 into 5,000. So what is the amount? 8 lakh. I am giving an opportunity of 8 lakh. So the opportunity comes based on the products which I want to purchase. The company want to purchase the following products in the following quantity. Okay, I told I was looking for the following products with the following quantity. If you can give me a better price, I will purchase from you. So what is the opportunity amount? 8 lakhs. Now what is the expected revenue for the company? Only 80,000. Why 80,000? Still we are in the prospecting stage. So possibility that I will purchase only 10%. We didn't negotiate. You didn't give me a quotation. You didn't negotiate. We didn't talk to each other. So the probability that company will get a revenue is only 10%. That's the reason expected revenue to the company is only 80,000. Now I communicated with those people. Then we are in negotiation. Then we went to quotation. Now it came to quotation stage. We negotiated, we understood. Then finally I told them, send me a quotation. When I say send me a quotation, there is a probability that I may purchase 75%. So it came to 6 lakhs. So what is the amount I am giving? 8 lakh is the opportunity. Then these are the products. Opportunity with the opportunity line item. Opportunity is the total amount. The total amount of 8 lakh is coming from what? Coming from product 1, 4 quantity. Product 2, 3 quantity. Product 4, 5 quantity. This together is giving you, just like your bill. When you go to shop and purchase, when you go to supermarket and purchase, now company say you have to pay total bill of 5,000 rupees. But the 5,000 is generated because of what? Product 1, 2 quantity, product 2, 2 quantity, product 3, 5 quantity. All together is 5,000. But when a company looks at this, okay. When the company looks at this, it looks at 5,000 bill from so customer. But the items they are called opportunity line items. Opportunity will give you complete amount. But that amount is coming from which products? By selling which products? That is in opportunity line item. I hope you are good. Opportunity with opportunity line item. Opportunity with opportunity line item. I hope you are good with this. Clear? Okay. What is an opportunity? Any that can generate revenue to the company. Opportunity will have opportunity. Is it? Shield off. Sometimes straight away I can create an opportunity. Sometimes I may straight away create an opportunity, independent opportunity. Okay. Then opportunity. Stop products. That are contributing. Opportunity. Yes, Sharma. List of products and the quantities that are contributing to opportunity. What are the list of products and their quantity which is contributing to the opportunity is called opportunity line item. I hope you are good with this. Right? Opportunities, whatever that generates in our revenue is called opportunity. So, which products together is generating this amount is called opportunity line items. Then we have opportunity. Next we had an opportunity. What is an opportunity? See, now listen to the point, everyone. Now my company manufactures 3 different types of products. Let's say I'm a company. This is an application of BMW. Now, Capital Info Solution told is looking for a Capital Info Solution told was okay. I told I was looking for one BMW. Let us say new vehicle, and I told I want some spare parts for my existing 5 model. Some spare parts I want, and I told I want to extend the warranty on. I made a call to them. I told I want to purchase one new BMW 6 Series, and I told on my BMW 5 model there are some spare parts I'm ordering, and I told on BMW 4 model which I want to extend. I have 3 vehicles from the BMW. I have 2 vehicles. Now I want to purchase one more vehicle, and the first vehicle I want to extend a warranty. Second vehicle I want to spare parts. Third vehicle I want to purchase it. Now total how many I am looking for? 3 products. Now there is a separate team who will deal with the new purchases. There is a separate team who will deal with the purchases. Separate team who deal with the spare parts. Separate team who deal with the warranty insurance. Then what happened? Now who brought this opportunity? Now I came to them and told I was looking for 6. So let us say Satish is handling this opportunity. So who is the owner of this opportunity? Satish. Now Satish brought this opportunity, but Satish cannot handle all the 3. But I cannot say, boss, I cannot handle it. Go to another department. I cannot, because the customer is also trying to purchase something from me. I am also dealing with the customer in one of the business. Now, what I will do? Boss, you are looking? Fine. Give me a request. Then what I will do? I'll say, I'll take one person, Ravi from here. Then what I will do? Okay. I cannot do all the rest of the 2. So what Satish will do? He'll say, Satish is the owner. He formed a team. And told, okay, Ravi, you take care about, okay, spare parts on this opportunity. Kumar, you take care about insurance on this opportunity. So total opportunity of, let us say, 30 lakhs is coming. In this, let us say, 20 lakhs for new vehicle. Let us say, 8 lakhs for second, and 2 lakhs for third. Now, opportunity of 30 lakh rupees, but 20 lakh is coming from new vehicle, 8 lakhs is coming from spare parts, 2 lakhs is coming from this. Okay. Now, as a team, they sold this thing. Who is the owner of the opportunity? Satish. But who sold it? The team has sold it. Now, the 8 lakhs will be added to target of Ravi. 2 lakhs will be added to target of Kumar. Opportunity of 30 lakhs is closed. but in the targets will be there, right? Now in the target, who sold? For Satish, 20 lakh target is added. For Kumar, okay, 2 lakhs. For Ravi, 8 lakhs. Now the customer is looking from some different products from my company, but we have different teams to handle it. So I formed a team, and I told this member will handle this, this member will handle this, I will handle this. Are you getting my point? As a team, we are selling. This is called opportunity team selling. Opportunity team. Like account team, we have opportunity. Like an account team, we have an opportunity. The team, I am handling this opportunity item. You are handling this opportunity item. You are handling this opportunity item. We all together is selling this product to customer. So we have to sell the complete opportunity. We have to win the complete opportunity. So opportunity of 30 lakhs is won by a team. In the team, the contribution of Satish is for 20 lakhs. Contribution of Ravi is for 8 lakhs. Contribution of Kumar is for 2 lakhs. The opportunity amount is 30 lakhs. But the opportunity was dealt by these three people as a team, closed this opportunity. I hope you are good with this. Now I told already I have vehicles, right? I told already I have a vehicles. So I'm an existing customer. If it is first time, you need to go with the lead. Obviously, if you already purchased, first don't, okay, analyze the point. Analyze the point. What was the point? If you already coming for a spare parts, you already have a vehicle. Okay, you already have a vehicle. Then you are existing customer. Now you don't have a vehicle. First time you are coming. You are called lead. You are called lead. As simple as that. Now when lead is coming, then they will have interactions. When they feel everything is good, then you convert it into account. Yes, exactly. Again, we are coming to the same point again. Now, I am an existing customer. Okay, let us say you are a new customer. Let us say you are a new customer. I came to the showroom. I told I was looking for a vehicle. Then I came to you. Okay, I saw a demo piece. Second time also came, asked for a price. Third time I came for a test drive. I also came and said the test drive. Then finally I decided to go for this one. Then you converted me to account. Then I told you are interested. Yes, I told you interested. Then opportunity will be created for account. Okay. Now simply creating as a customer is no use. You become a customer with the following opportunity. First time when you come, you become a customer with the following opportunity. Second time when you are coming, already an account, straight away I will get an opportunity. First time you have to be account. So who is looking for this vehicle? Now you are coming here for the first time. Who is looking for this vehicle? Without having your name, I cannot say that it is an opportunity. Who is giving this opportunity? So first time when you are coming, lead will be converted into account. Then we create an opportunity. Generally, what happened when lead is converted, one account, one opportunity, one contact will be created. It will be automatically converted. When you convert the lead will convert into one account, one contact, one opportunity. Lead will be converted into one account, one contact, one opportunity. Okay. Let us say I made an inquiry. Satish Capital Info made an inquiry that is looking for some product. Now this is what? When you convert the lead, capital will be created as account. Satish will be created as contact. Capital underscore will be created as. Then I will go to opportunity object and add the products. So when you convert the lead will be converted into one, automatically converted into one account, contact object. No, I don't want automatically to be converted. Then you have to define your own logic. Okay. So let me give you here. This is a lead. I told I was interested on some G series. Shakti Samanto from company name Dell. Shakti Samanto from Dell told he was interested on GC 1000 series. Now we had an option called. This is standard function. If you don't want it, you can leave it. Then I told create. What happened? Dell is the company. Shakti Shamanto is the contact. Dell underscore is the opportunity. Now go to opportunity. There is no products added here. Now you fill in the products here. So after qualifying, see, qualification process changes from company to company. As per your company norms, as per your procedure, you will convert it. Then when account is okay, account is converted, lead is converted, account contact opportunity is created, lead will be deleted. You are now ready. But you have a choice that I don't want this to be an opportunity. I spoke to you and we felt I will not be able to provide you the service. I spoke to you that service what you are requesting will not be able to provide. But you are a potential customer. You are a potential customer. So we want to save your data for future purpose. Then I will convert into only account and contact. Now you are not generating any opportunity as of now. But you are a potential. Whatever that I spoke to you, after speaking to you, whatever the service you are looking for, will not be able to provide you in that required. You told you require some service within 5 days. Now we will not be unable to provide you the service within 5 days. But there is a potentiality that in the future I may get a generate revenue because you have that potential. You are a potential customer. So in that prospect, what I will do, I will only convert you into account and contact. Okay, but when you convert the lead, account contact is a must. Opportunity is an option. Okay, right. Any other query, Amma? Is that clear? Am I clear? So what was the team selling? Like account team, we are forming an opportunity team, and these people are contributing to the opportunity. Now you got why we go for opportunity teams? I hope you got okay. Why you go for opportunity teams? Right? I hope you are good with this. See, let us take a simple example. Now I went to a bank. I want to I went to a bank. I want to make a deposit, some fixed deposit I want to make it. When I go for a fixed deposit, immediately what these people will tell, okay, he'll call one mutual funds. I told I want to go for 1 CR fixed deposit. Immediately the bank guy will call one mutual funds guy, one insurance guy, one will say, boss, okay, you do 1 CR, but you also take this policy, is a good policy. Take this, invest some money in the mutual fund, invest some money in the shares. So he form a team. The guy will have a team. He'll call everybody. If I call any your personal manager, right? If you call your personal manager, okay, from the bank, the guy will always come with 3-4 numbers. So every time we call, the guy will tell, take this policy, take this mutual fund, take this. Because as a team, they are selling the products. The target is for the team. As a team, they are selling. Now my personal manager is only responsible for dealing my transactions. He should ensure that I transact more in the bank. That's only responsibility. But okay, this guy also form a team. So you also bring 1 or 2%. Boss, this guy has some current account. Okay, so ask him for mutual funds, ask him for investment, demat account. So he bring a team, ask him. So they make a team target. Contribution is done by this much amount is done by this person. So as a team they are selling. When depends upon the customer needs, he may be opting different products from different links. Then they need to form a team to sell it. Like I told you, banking service is one. Okay, loans is one. Okay, mutual funds is one. Insurance is one. I told I was looking for my life insurance. I want to invest 2 lakhs in mutual funds. I want to go for going 1 CR as a fixed deposit. Now these 3 will not be handled by a single person. Insurance is done by a separate person. Mutual fund is handled by a separate person. Banking transaction is handled by some person. So they form a team and come to us. They want to win the opportunity. I told I have 1 crore 50 lakhs. I want to utilize this for insurance, mutual funds and banking. Now, who is the point of contact? My manager is the point of contact. So there will be a personal relation manager assigned to me. I call him, boss, come to my office, we will discuss about it. Now the guy will come. So who is the owner for me? That guy is the owner. But he cannot do a mutual funds. But he cannot do a insurance for me. So he form a team. He call his associates and bring to me. Getting my point? Is the was clear? Am I clear with this? Am I clear? See, boss, I have a current account. From the bank, they send somebody, let us say I have a current account in ICICI. Vasukiran is my personal manager. My personal relationship manager, Vasukiran is the relation manager. I call this Vasukiran. Boss, come here. Okay, I want to put some fixed deposit. Okay, come here. I want to open 10 bank accounts, come here. My employees, I want to open a salary accounts, come here. The guy will come. Then I told I have 1 lakh, 1 crore 50 lakhs. I want to invest it. In this, I want to go for fixed deposit. I want to go for mutual fund. I want to go for life insurance. This Vasukiran cannot do a insurance. This Vasukiran cannot do a mutual fund. Okay, Vasukiran is only a relationship manager for me who can encourage me to do more number of transactions. But he cannot he cannot do a insurance process. He cannot do a mutual fund. Then what he will do? When I told I have one C, then immediately he form a team. So he calls somebody from mutual fund, calls somebody from insurance. He come with all the three. They say this guy will do insurance, this guy will do mutual funds, I will do transaction. Now why, if the Vasukiran is not responding, I may go with another bank who will do mutual funds. I will go with another bank who will do insurance. Now we can form a team as an overall opportunity. This is the amount. Okay, encouraged by Vasukiran. So you form a team and come back. It's what? Team selling. Account teams, similarly opportunity team. Opportunity team is nothing but team selling. I hope you are good with this. Clear? Am I clear with this? That's all from my end. So still we